In this final episode of the EDIFACT series, you'll learn how the invoice message works and how suppliers invoice shipped goods using EDIFACT. Let's get started.
ENVOIC is the final message in the order-to-cash process. It is sent after the goods have been shipped and usually after the DESADV message. Like other EDIFACT message, ENVOIC is structured in a header section, a detail section with invoiced items, and a summary section with totals. The UNH segment marks the beginning of the ENVOIC message and defines the message type and version. The BGM segment identifies the document as a commercial invoice. Code 380 represents an invoice. The document number uniquely identifies the invoice. DTM segment defines important dates. Qualifier 137 is the invoice date. Qualifier 35 is the delivery date related to the invoice. NAD identifies the supplier issuing the invoice, the buyer receive it, and the delivery location associated with the transaction. Each line segment represents one invoiced item. These lines should match the shipped goods from DESADV. QTI with qualifier 47 represents the invoiced quantity, meaning the quantity being charged. The MOA segment defines monetary amounts. Qualifier 203 represents the line item amount calculated as quantity multiplied by unit price. PRE segment defines the unit price used to calculate the invoice amount. The tax segment defines tax information such as VAT. In this example, a 20% VAT rate is applied. The second line follows the same structure, representing another invoiced product. The summary section contains totals. MOA with qualifier 39 represents the invoice total amount. CNT confirms the number of invoiced lines. UNT and UNZ close the message and ensures integrity by matching references and segment counts. DESADV represents physical shipment. ENVOIC represents the financial claim based on the shipment. This INVOIC message completes the EDIFACT order to cash flow. ORDERS, ORDRSP, DESADV, and INVOIC.
You've now completed the full EDIFACT order to cash flow, orders, ORDRSP, DESADV, and INVOIC. You now have a solid foundation to read and analyze real-world EDI transactions.